1. Prayer causes one to receive sustenance. 2. It safeguards one's physical health. 3. It keeps away harmful things. 4. It casts away illnesses. 5. It strengthens the heart. 6. It brightens one's countenance. 7. It delights the soul. 8. It gets rid of laziness. 9. It makes the limbs active. 10. It increases one's physical strength. 11. It expands the chest, making one at ease and giving him insight. 12. It nourishes the soul. 13. It illuminates the heart. 14. It safeguards one's blessings. 15. It repels catastrophes. 16. It brings on blessings. 17. It keeps away the shaitan. 18. It draws one close to Ar-Rahman, Allah the most merciful. Nothing keeps the evil of the dunya at bay and brings on the benefit of it like prayer. The reason behind this is that prayer is one's connection to Allah, the mighty and majestic. So based on the strength of a person's relationship with his Lord, the doors of goodness will accordingly be opened for him. Bad things and the reasons for them befalling him will be cut off, and the elements of success granted by his Lord will begin pouring in, along with safety and good health, wealth and worldly riches, relaxation, bliss, enjoyment, and all types of joyful affairs will be brought to him, and in an expedient manner too.